So when we're looking at small n designs, yes, we think small. And what that means is that we're just studying an individual group that's going to pretty much represent the whole population. And it's not a group we're studying, it's just one or few cases that we're looking at to represent everyone. So if we look at it through a picture sense, here we have one group, here's another group. This group uses small n designs because there's only two people, so we're only studying a few cases, 1 and 2 cases. Over here we're doing, let's say, a large n design, and we have a bunch of people. And those are studied together in groups, so it's a group average. So when breaking down small n designs, we realize that there aren't as small as we think. It's split by 3 categories, and that's stable baseline design, multiple baseline design, and reversal. And when we look at that, usually in graph form, stable baseline, we look at the observation and then we look at the treatment. So we can be here and then the observation, we're looking at it from here, and then we place the treatment, and the treatment can either be good or low in success. Then when we go to multiple baseline, we're going to choose multiple. So it kind of goes with the name. So we're looking at 3 behaviors here. And then we do the observation, the treatment, observation, treatment, observation, treatment. And from there we see the different behaviors we're trying to fix, but in different times. So it could be like here and here, and then this behavior of Amy touching her hair was successful or it wasn't, and then vice versa with any other behavior that the patient has. Then finally we'll have reversal. So then we give the treatment, or B, you can say, we give the treatment, and then we take it away. So then maybe it will go up or it'll either go down, depending on what you're studying and what kind of treatment you're using, and if it was successful or not. The treatment gets taken away and given back as a technique. So how do we use small n designs in the real world? Well, first of all, when we're dealing with patients, we need to figure out what kind of treatment we want to give them. And especially when you're a behavior analyst, you have to try to fix a behavior or try to stop a behavior from happening. So this is when you use a small n designs. You'll use your reversal design, a stable baseline design, or a multiple baseline design. So for a patient, like our book says, with Alzheimer's, they use a stable baseline design, and they watch the patient, and then they give her a technique. So they will give her probably a mnemonic so that she can remember the words faster. And that's how researchers get their data, by looking at these small individuals and taking information from them and generalizing to the population that they want to show the study to.